Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we will do some extreme spring cleaning, some day-to-day cleaning, and I even included a little bit of a cook with me. The recipe is really easy to make, and it was really great. We ate it fast, so I hope you enjoyed that as well. If you do enjoy today's content and follow the video all the way through, I would greatly appreciate that. If you would subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and share and comment down below. That also helps me out a lot. And with that being said, let's get to it. So the recipe is for banana protein oatmeal cookies. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 overly ripe bananas and use our fork to really mush that up into a creamy consistency as much as we can. And next, the recipe calls for 1 egg. So Eggland's Best is some of the best eggs out there, I believe, available on the market if you need to use eggs in baking. So that's what we're going to do for the next step. And then after we add the egg, we're going to use organic wild honey that I've purchased from Aldi. You don't have to have wild honey. I would prefer organic honey if you can. And just wherever you're at, whichever store you're at. And then we're going to use 1 tablespoon of that organic honey. And then we're going to add 1.5 cup of oats. And then I use the protein oats with flax and chia and almonds from Sam's Club. Then I'm going to put in 1/4 a teaspoon of sea salt. That balances out the sweetness in our recipe. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Then we're going to mix all that up to a really good consistency. Next up, we're going to put in our 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I chose the Special Dark by Hershey's because I wanted the dark chocolate chips. You can choose milk chocolate, white chocolate chips, whatever your preference may be. You can also add pecans, walnuts, dried fruit, like cranberries, or raisins. The golden raisins is totally up to your preference. Then we're going to mix that really, really well. I say at least 50 strokes. Next, I'm using an ice cream scoop to place 8 formed cookies on a non-stick foil, non-stick sprayed pan. And I'm going to place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven, until they're lightly browned on the bottom. They are now fresh out of the oven. I'm just gonna let them cool for a few minutes, and wow, these things really are good. I didn't expect them to taste as delicious as they did, but they are definitely a great treat to include in your kitchen.